Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys can see, we're making these fluffy dinner rolls. They're so good, y'all. Literally melt in your mouth. Okay, if you guys want to see it, keep on watching. So these are the ingredients. Of course, the measurement will be below for you guys, below this video. Just click the description box, they will be there. I'm using salt, butter, sugar, milk, and the flour, and of course we're going to be using instant yeast for this recipe. And yeah, let's begin, you guys. All right guys, first thing first, we're going to add our milk in this large bowl here. Next, we're going to melt the butter and we're going to pour the butter into the milk. Now we're going to add in our yeast and give it a nice stir. Now I'm going to sift in my flour. Now you don't have to sift your flour, but I decided to do it. I feel like it'll be easier for me to stir it, but yeah, we're going to sift the flour. Once you're done, you're going to fold in the flour with the milk until you form a dough. Not really a dough, it'll be a little bit soft, and then I'm going to add the other cup of flour in. Now, once you have a consistency just like that, I am going to use my hand mixer to mix this. Now, you don't have to use a hand mixer. It's very optional. You can use just the spoon to mix it together. But once I was done mixing it together, I poured into this greasy bowl. Make sure you add some oil in the bowl so the dough doesn't stick on the dough. So we're going to cover this, let it proof. Even though the yeast that I'm using said you don't have to proof your dough, you can literally just form your dinner roll and place it in the oven. But I went ahead and proof my dough, and boom, this is what I have. About, I'll say an hour later, this is what I have. Now I'm going to remove the dough from the bowl and add some flour on the surface that I'm going to form my dinner roll, so the dough doesn't stick onto the surface, obviously. But this feels so fun, yo. Look at how I'm touching it. It's so fun to touch it. Oh my goodness. To form 9 dinner rolls, with this dough, you can make them smaller if you want, but I cut them into 9 pieces and make 9 dinner rolls. And it's very easy to make the dinner rolls, but before I do, you have to spray the baking dish that you're going to bake these in, of course, so they don't stick. Now this is how easy it is to form your dinner roll. As you guys can see, I'm just folding it under until I form a ball. All right. Now boom, I have all of my dinner rolls nice and ready. I'm going to use my egg wash to put on top of them so they can come out looking nice and colorful and golden brown on top. The egg wash I'm using is basically 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix it together, and that's how you make egg wash. Okay, so I'm going to just brush it with the egg wash and bake these on 350, y'all. 350 for 25 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. Now I went ahead and do another proofing, which is just cover it in a dark place and let it sit until the dough rise again. As y'all can see, it is double the size it was before. So now it's ready to go in the oven. Now once they come out, y'all, look how golden brown and beautiful these look, y'all. Oh my goodness. The love I have for bread is just, it's undescribable. Yo, it's so fluffy, and oh my goodness, look, it just bounced back. Boom, it bounced back. It's so fluffy, and this is literally heaven on earth, y'all. Especially when they nice and warm. Ooh, I hope you guys make these. I hope you guys actually try them. They're so good. And yeah, this is it, y'all. And I'm going to spread some melted butter, softened room temperature butter, whatever, on there. And y'all, this is it. Hope you enjoy it. Give the video a like for me. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.